Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com. Today we'll be taking a look at these Balmain sunglasses, model BPS-110C. The color of the frame is white gold. These glasses are made out of titanium and they are a round shape. The lenses are brown gradient. On its left lens, you'll find the Balmain B emblem engraved in the lens. The temples are gold and white. You'll find the Balmain logo in gold on its temple tip. This is the inside of the frame. And this is what you see when wearing the frame. And on its nose pads is the Balmain logo in silver. And this is the other temple. On its inner right temple is the model name, the model number, and the color code, and that it's made in Japan. On its inner left temple, it says that the frame is made out of titanium, the Balmain Paris logo in gold, and the dimensions of the frame. 52 is for its lens, 20 is for its bridge, and 140 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Balmain Paris gift box, a Balmain case with a Balmain B on the front of the case, and on the inside is the Balmain Paris logo in gold, a Balmain cleaning cloth, a Balmain booklet, 2 certificate of authenticity cards, and this one is a gold mirror limited edition card, number 294 out of 500. And a Balmain Paris dust bag. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these frames or any of the frames, head over to the link description and check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.